Here it is. It still looks like a Cayman, but one that's been drawn with sharper pencils. It still has the engine in the middle, power at the rear, and it still costs about £50,000.
It's the same story inside, where, thankfully, Porsche hasn't messed with all the things we liked about the old car. I've still got 3 pedals and this lovely wiggly wand-like thing to change gear. But if you delve deeper, you'll find a million teeny tiny upgrades.
For starters, the Cayman's big brother, the 911, has given up its steering and brakes.
The lower rear suspension arms are from the last generation Cayman GT4. The anti-roll bars are larger diameter all around. The front springs are now variable rate. The rear tyres, well, they are 12 millimetres wider.
Much of which is not interesting. What is interesting is more horsepower. The Cayman S now has 345 of them.
This car will do 0 to 60 miles an hour in a sneeze over 4 seconds. And it won't stop accelerating until you hit 177 miles an hour. Braking!
And that extra horsepower also means something else.
If there was a fault with the old Cayman, it's that it didn't have quite enough power to explore the limits of that lovely mid-engine chassis. This new one, however... Oh, yes! Yes, yes, yes! Do that all day long.
The trouble is, I'm not enjoying this as much as I should do.
Allow me to explain. That there is the old Cayman S. 6-cylinder, normally aspirated engine, and it sounds like, well, judge for yourself. That is engine sound perfection. If you asked Daft Punk to create intake noise, it'd sound like that. But for this new Cayman, Porsche ditched the lovely old 6-cylinder engine for a new turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and it sounds like an old Beetle.
This is a big deal. Because I'm sorry, but the way a sports car sounds is a huge part of its personality.
It's the same as humans. Voices matter. I mean, take, say, Rod Stewart and put him on mute, and he's just a Scottish bloke with ladies' hair.